So, a lot of times for composers, the hard part of the song is how am I going to end it? There's different ways that you can do that. Let's listen a little bit to this song here and talk about how we might end the song properly. So, this is how the song goes. So there's a predominant backing in that song in the rhythm section. And one thing that people sometimes like to do is just give a few more bars of one of the instruments in the backing by itself. So in this case, we might make it be the bass line. So the drums will stop, the lead will stop, and the bass line will go on for one more bar or two more bars. It could end like that, or it could resolve that it used that higher note, or there's a different way that we can do it. Let's go back to how it was. Maybe you want it all just to end with a volume fade out. And a volume fade out is not that hard to do in GarageBand, although I see now that my screen is not actually showing what I needed it to be. Sorry for that. But in GarageBand, you go up to Mix. So directly above, you hit Mix, create volume fade out on main output. And now to see where this is, you always have to click this button here. I don't know the name for the button, but that button exposes anything on the track where you're fading it in and out. So this is a standard fade out. You can make the fade out go wherever you want. You can make it happen more abruptly. There's all sorts of things, but this is what the standard fade out sounds like. Anyway, that's two different ways that you can end a song in GarageBand or whatever digital audio workstation of your choice if you don't know how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.